Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 10 hot hair transformations. Beautiful bob for the first one, followed by this gorgeous hair color makeover. So the stylist added some face framing highlights, lowlights, gorgeous color. And then we see someone decide to switch it up with some French style bangs. Beautiful. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous bob haircut for that one with the color. Absolutely stunning. And then we see a longer pixie haircut, followed by this beautiful dark copper hair color makeover. Then we see the gorgeous ash blonde hair color trend. Beautiful blonde cascading bob. Absolutely stunning bob haircut. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.